Welcome back to Rewind to bschwitty, harvest vlog number 2. Still getting used to this little gimbal here. Don't mind the mess. So today we're just gonna talk about some processing. We're gonna talk about how to process grapes, red grapes in particular. Here's a little video. Wasn't that interesting? So as you'll see, the grapes come in and they're in a bin. They get dumped into a receiver as whole cluster grapes. They move along that receiver and onto the first sorting table, which is where we'll pick out leaves and anything else that anything rosy, anything overripe, anything underripe, anything that we don't want to make into the wine for fermentation. And then following that, it'll go through the crusher destemmer, which then will leave little individual berries coming out on that second table there. And on the second table, we'll pick out any jacks that might have fallen through. Jacks are little pieces of the stems that held onto the berries. And any extra leaves or any green berries or anything else that just didn't make it past that first inspection. So that's what you do. That is how you process grapes. And it goes into that 1 ton or that half-ton fermenter. We'll put them in some big ones, we'll put them in small ones, and they'll ferment. And that's kind of how that's how you make wine. Really easy, really quick. Thanks for checking out my harvest blog. I'll come back Friday with a little quick thing about punch downs, and then Monday we'll talk about what happens once fermentation's done. This is bschwitty saying thank you for watching. Thanks for bearing with me for my harvest vlogs. Promise some new content will come out next week. I'll catch you next time. Remember, comment, like, subscribe, share, whatnot. Happy first day of November. We're almost done with harvest. We have a couple more days. Rain's coming in. We're all done at midnight, but we have some clients that are still bringing in the last bit of their crop. So it's beard and fun, and beer and wine. Lots of wine. I'll catch you next time.